Oh man, I'm freaking loving this new phone with the nice new screen. So I guess I'm going to be Mr. El Cheapo, and not going to bother getting an actual camera. Oh boy, sure I'll get flack for that. But very hot, very humid today. So, anyways, I'm not sure if I showed you this or not. Oh jeez. Okay, so here's the phone I got. This one. This very phone here. LG Optimus 7. Well, currently this one doesn't work because the battery from this one is in this current phone I'm using now. But can you see why I retired this one? This is why I couldn't make very good videos either. Because the screen on this one has been so badly scratched that everything would be smoky. So I went on the old Flybay there, Rooney Sears' favorite place, and bought a new one, or bought a case for this. So hopefully that'll come in soon. I think my mom's still working on that. So, I do not have a credit card yet. And I probably won't get one for a while, because I don't like spending money that isn't mine. So, but anyways, that's that. Figured I'd show you some other stuff here. Now that I actually got a real phone, or a real camera again. Here's a dirty old 454. I'll probably end up putting the video from the timing chain in behind this one. But we got the rockers out, the push rods are out, and we got the headers in place. But we're taking the heads right off right now. We just wanted to see if the headers would fit, and they do. The 3-inch headers at the end, we're probably just going to put 2.5. Just shrink them down to 2.5. Go from 3 to 2.5, and then it'll be a lot better. So, but yeah, I'm just working on getting the bolts out of this one. So it's a bit of a prude. I didn't realize there were more bolts down here. It was just before lunchtime, and I figured I could get the head off before lunch, and I just realized there were more bolts, and I'm like, for F's sakes. Just totally lost it, and I'm just like, you know what, let's go for lunch. So Mike and I just went for lunch. Mike had to go to work now. So, but apparently it's going to be getting hot and humid. Not looking forward to that crap. It's already really humid. It's only 26 Celsius right now, but it's like 30. It feels like 30 something. So 70, 80 degrees for Fahrenheitness. On Tractor City. 1655, it's still kicking. But I have it on Craigslist, but I don't know, I can't seem to sell the damn thing. So probably end up just keeping it. Put it back in the barn for storage. I figured I could get $200 for it. So if anybody near Washington State, or in Washington State, or around British Columbia, Canada, or in British Columbia, if you're interested in this, let me know. $200. I'll even throw in a Massey 280, or not 285, 85. I got one of those too. Throw in one of those. So, but I'm gonna go undercover where it's not so hot. Doing donuts here with a Pushmore. Here's Brandon's 6.5, 95 6.5 turbo diesel. It's got 330,000 K on it. KMs. Getting newer seats for it. Ooh, it's extremely hot in here too. It's stinky. Open that window up. Yeah, gotta get a glove box yet. One of these things. Oh, jeez. But other than that, I mean, it's working pretty good. Nice truck. It's just a Cheyenne cheaper truck. So power locks, and then crank windows, which I'm okay with. I don't mind crank windows. Power windows are nice, but yeah, paid a $1,000 for it, I think. All it needed was a starter. It still needs head gaskets though, but we put this special formula crap in there. It actually seemed to help a lot because it used to steam really bad from bad head gaskets, and now it doesn't steam at all. Now it's just a bit of black smoke, and that's about it. But we're gonna put a 4-inch, 3 or 4 inch straight pipe on it. I would like to put a 3 or 4 inch straight pipe on it. Make it sound good. There's the back axle of a Cadillac Eldorado 76 Eldorado. So we'll fire into the other shop here, and we'll have a look and see what's going on in here. I was thinking actually maybe I could drag out the old 68 or 9 or whatever this thing is, Super 12. Here, let me turn this crap off. Drag out the oh jeez, Super 12. I haven't fired it up quite a long time. Went all the way down to Oregon, Salem, Oregon, to pick this thing up. If you guys are on Facebook, you can check out my Noma Dairy. And there's also one guy, Steve Johnson Garden Tractor Collecting. That's where I got this thing from. I was down in Portland for the swap meet anyways. So then while I was down there, just for another hour's drive, I went down to Salem. Currently doing big cleanup. Believe it or not. So, yeah. And the old 76 Sears Suburban. It's been really bitchy lately. I can't seem to get it started and it won't run. So I just parked it and left it. Not gonna dick with it. So, yeah, case 444 and 222, and I got my 220. Wisconsin's Massey 8, which I should sell, and Massey 7 also, which I should sell, but whatever, we'll see what happens. Some 6.2 diesels. Seen those? That's the original one out of Mike's truck. Yeah, needs bottom end rebuilt. That motor is totally done. Needs new webbing. Actually needs a new block. Whole block is done on that motor. Over here are my 6.2s. There's actually 3 back here and a Turbo 400. Here's my, I think 87 6.2 1-ton diesel. Looks a lot like a 6.5, especially with this thing here. It could actually be a 6.5, but I really don't know. So that's that one. It's most likely a 6.2 though, I would imagine it is. Here's my 6.2 liter that's going in my Cadillac. And there's the Turbo 400. This is going in the 74 Cadillac once we're done the 454 project. I got so many other projects to do instead of the Cadillac that I'm just going to do the Cadillac one first. It's the biggest one I want to do. The 454 is the 454 and the Cadillac are the biggest ones I want to do this year. And get those figured out. 454 is definitely right up there. So, but this video is getting a bit lengthy, and I'm not saying a whole lot. And I just got a brand new camera on my phone, or a new phone camera. So that is why I'm making a video. I'm sorry about that. So anyways, I'm gonna tool around on some garden tractors. I think it's Friday. I don't have any customer machines I really got to get done. So 285s and lots of other tires. Anyways, thanks for watching.